Oh, what's inside?
I don't know.
What have you got?
It might be Ariel.
But what is it?
It's an Easter egg. Let's open it. Look,
Wow.
let's open it. Ooh, that's a
Ooh,
giant
that's
bucket. Can you open it for me,
Please.
please? Might be.
Who is it?
Cinderella.
Wow. Oh, here's Cinderella's legs. Oh, look, you've got to make Cinderella.
Wow. Look at her. Mum, look, I got Cinderella.
What's she wearing?
Chocolate.
A dress. Wow. Look at her, Millie.
She's gorgeous.
Thank you, Millie. I like her.
Should we just throw the chocolate away?
No. Yum.